Earlier this week, Samsung once again announced its $16 billion investment in semiconductor industry. However, South Korea's largest conglomerate could take a huge hit after prosecutors request an arrest warrant for the conglomerate's de facto head, Lee Jae-yong. Our Kim Sung-min tells us more.
Recent developments in the investigation of Samsung Group and Vice Chairman Lee Jae-yong are throwing the running of the conglomerate into uncertainty. Prosecutors requested an arrest warrant for Lee and two of his key aides on Thursday over the controversial 2015 merger between two Samsung affiliates, Samsung C&T and Tail Industries. The prosecutors accuse Lee of illegal trading, market price manipulation, and accounting fraud at Tail affiliate Samsung Biologics under an act on external audit of corporation. This comes just 2 days after Lee requested an outside review of the investigation and possible indictment based on prosecution reforms introduced in 2018. The prosecution's move comes less than a month after Samsung announced a $16 billion investment in semiconductors. Earlier in May and June, Samsung released its plans to build new manufacturing lines for system semiconductor and memory semiconductor in Pyeongtaek. This move goes against the global trend. According to IC Insights, more than half of chip makers around the world have forecast their sales to drop in the second quarter. Since 2016, Samsung's management has been in hot water over a series of fraud and corruption cases, with many of these linked to the former Park Geun-hye administration. As well as Lee, more than 100 Samsung executives have been summoned for investigations over those cases. While Samsung Group seemed to have turned a corner after Lee's apology to the public last month and his ambition to create a new Samsung, the current investigation could leave the company with a management vacuum. The hearing for the case will be held on Monday to decide whether to issue arrest warrants for Lee. And that decision will likely be out late that night or early Tuesday. Kim Sung-min, Arirang News.